Hi guys, my name is Michelle and I am a student at the University of Pittsburgh in the Occupational Therapy program, and today I'm going to be taking over your Snapchat. Also a research assistant in Roxana Dixon's pediatric laboratory for the university. Today we are in Philadelphia and we're going to be going to a family who has a son with Duchenne muscular dystrophy, where we're going to be installing a dynamic arm support for this child.
Hi, I'm Roxana Dixon. I'm the principal investigator of a research study that's exploring the use of upper extremity devices in young men with Duchenne muscular dystrophy. So Duchenne is a very rare neuromuscular disorder that results in extreme muscle weakness. So usually these boys are in wheelchairs by the time they're 12 years old. So because it's rare, we are traveling to numerous homes to be able to provide support in the home and have them trial the upper extremity devices. And so in the last couple of days, we have been in Philadelphia, in Washington, D.C., and we are on our way to New Jersey. So thanks for joining us.
Yeah, in a basketball stadium.
Hi, my name is Christian, and I'm excited to use the arm in new ways and try new things.
We are back in the Philadelphia airport and we are meeting up with Natalie and Roxana, who just got back from their trip to their New Jersey family also.
Yes, we went to two other families today to install a different arm support. One we installed and the other one we uninstalled, and it was great to see the boys and their families.
We made it back to Pittsburgh. Thank you guys for following with us.